Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can select multiple elements at once in your presentations on Miro. For example, to apply edits to all of them in bulk at the same time. This is a super useful trick for speeding up your workflow and keeping your board consistent, especially when you're managing lots of shapes, text boxes, or diagrams. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to your whiteboard on Miro. And what you'll need to do first is with a group selected, which can be the left hand, can easily describe a selected tool from the select one with all the left hand consistent. So it's just going to set a workflow on the FH galaxy of the air. This can keep your whiteboard on the left hand on the right hand. After that, simply left click into your first object, be it a text box, a shape, or even a connector like this one here. So what you want to do is simply left-click into the given object or item. Press and hold the left shift key on your keyboard, and after that, left-click into the next item, just like that. Let me also click into that text box, and now, as you can see, all three items are selected. And now I can apply changes and edits to them. For instance, change their color, alignment, or style, or even group them together for easier movement and organization. If it's text, you can, for example, select all your text boxes and change the font color, style, or size in one go. So let me just show you an example with text boxes, like that here. Select it with your left mouse, press and hold Shift, click into the second text box. Let me just zoom in a bit, and after that, simply apply the given color to both texts. And that's how you select and edit multiple objects at the same time in Miro. Now, before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips that can make your workflow even smoother. Tip 1. Instead of clicking each item one by one, you can also drag your cursor across multiple elements to select them all at once. Just hold your left mouse button and draw a box around the objects you want to select. Tip 2. If you accidentally select something you don't want, just hold Shift and click on it again to deselect it. Super handy for fine-tuning your selection. Tip 3. Once you've selected multiple elements, you can group them together using the shortcut Ctrl+Grams or Command+Grams on Mac. This makes it easy to move or resize them as a single unit. Tip 4. If you're dealing with layered items, you can use the right-click 24 Bring to Front, Send to Back options to rearrange them before grouping or editing. Tip 5. For larger complex boards, you can use Ctrl+A or Command+A to select everything on your board. Great for mass edits, alignment, or exporting entire layouts. These shortcuts are especially useful when organizing multiple frames or cleaning up a big project board with lots of interconnected items. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned a few tricks to work faster in Miro. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials on Miro and other productivity tools. We'll catch you later, happy creating, and stay productive.